Hello, my dear! Tingnan natin kung kaninong energy ang makokollect natin ngayon sa tamang panahon, sa tamang oras, hahanapin ka ng reading na ito. So, reading ni, okay, King of Hearts, okay, lalaki na water sign. Okay, lalaki na water sign, calling, boy na water sign. Ang involved ay, so yung message is para sa iyo, water sign, ha? Involved is, Jack of wands or Jack of flowers, mas ano to, bata. Okay, mas bata. Okay, tingnan natin. Fake smile, you are protected. Okay. So, ayan, lumabas na. Okay? So, anong nangyayari dito, my dear, is I think hindi naman kayo magkarelasyon over here, pero you need to be aware, water sign na lalaki, okay? Cancer, Scorpio, and then Pisces over here kasi baka pinaplastic ka ng isang fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, okay? Mas bata sa'yo to. Okay, so you are protected. Ayan, no? So this message is a protection. Okay, you need to be aware na itong tao na to is nakikipag-plastikan lang sa'yo. Okay, kasi ang message is para sa'yo, water sign. Okay, so kuha pa tayo ng isa pang card. Let me see, ha. Okay, kuha pa tayo ng isang card. Tingnan natin. Okay, ito daw. Harap-harapan kang niloloko. Okay? So, meron tong panloloko, my dear, ha? So, ayan na, nagsalita na yung ating card. The card has spoken. Once again, energy ng water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay, you need to be careful. You need to be very, very careful sa isang energy ng isang fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius na lalaki over here. Kasi I think parang harap-harapan kanya niloloko and yung kanyang fake smile or fake na pakikitungo and you are protected. So, ibig sabihin itong message na to is galing sa iyo mga spirit guide. Okay? So, thank you so much.